Manage your diabetes and stay safe with these tips. Proper education is a must when it comes to any disease. Once a person is knowledgeable about their disease, they should try to enact changes into their life that will benefit them, or at least suppress the symptoms of the disease. Diabetes is a disease that many millions of individuals live with every day, and you can as well. Educating yourself with the information in this video will start the ball rolling. Did you know that it is recommended that diabetics have a diet high in dairy? Studies show that dairy can help keep blood sugar levels from spiking, so having as much low-fat dairy as possible can be a huge help to a diabetic. Have a tall glass of skim milk at breakfast and some cheese at lunch. It's healthy and tasty. Any exercise regimen for a diabetic who is looking to lose weight should include both cardiovascular exercises and weight training. Cardio is a great way to work up a sweat and burn fat. But, studies have shown that weight training also helps boost the metabolism and turn fat into muscle. Your insurance may cover a trip to the nutritionist once you're diagnosed with diabetes, so take advantage of it. Bring a list of your favorite foods with you and ask if there is any way for you to make them healthy and tasty, meaning you can have a treat without any of the guilt. Walnuts add a touch of nutrition to your salad. Walnuts contain monosaturated fats which assist your health by making your cells receptive to insulin. They taste great and boost your energy, and if that's not enough, they contain omega-3, minerals, vitamins and antioxidants. Diabetes causes you higher blood glucose levels, which also affects how much glucose is in your saliva. You have to take extra care of your gums and teeth to keep the rot and decay away. Floss and brush regularly, and make sure to see your dentist twice a year for cleaning. To make sure you don't suffer from diabetes-related complications, always get plenty of sleep. Studies have shown that people suffering from sleep deprivation eat much more food, which will make it difficult to keep your diabetes under control. A good night's rest will also help your body to keep your blood sugar levels in check. Almost all insurance companies will now pay for blood glucose monitoring equipment for diabetics to have in their homes. It is important to keep machines in good working order and clean. This is vital to assure you obtain accurate results. Your manufacturer's directions have directions on how to clean and maintain your machine. When a certain food allows it, add vinegar to it if you are a dietetic. Research has shown that vinegar inhibits starch digestion and allows food to stay in the stomach longer. In turn, this helps to reduce the chances of your blood glucose levels from rising after you have eaten a meal. It's likely that the information you just read has been seen before. It might not apply, but in the event that it does, prudence recommends that advice should be utilized. Whether it concerns safety or understanding, the information in this video will help anyone suffering from diabetes discern the facts from fiction when it comes to insulin. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.